If you make a grocery list before you grocery shop, then why aren't you making a clothing list before you shop for new clothing? No wonder you're getting so frustrated and overwhelmed when shopping. I would too. In fact, in the past, I felt the same way. No more of that, because today we'll be discussing step 4 of how to shop like a stylist, making your shopping list. I'm so excited, so let's get into this. Hello beautiful boss, I'm Tony, the personal stylist and founder of allthingstony.com, where I help women like you to enhance and discover your personal style. So you're out shopping, you don't know what you're looking for, you're feeling overwhelmed, stressed, frustrated, all of those feelings. You've been shopping in the same stores for years, but lately you haven't been able to find things that you like or things that fit your style in those stores anymore. Stick around to the end of this video, because not only will I be teaching you how to create a shopping list, but I will also teach you how to find new stores and brands based on your personal style. So to start your shopping list, you should organize it into 2 sections. One section for spring/summer, and then the other section for fall/winter. Now you're going to work backwards from all of the previous steps we've gone over these past few weeks. So if you haven't watched step 1 through 3 of how to shop like a stylist, then the link to that series will be below where you're watching this video, and you can go back and watch each step so that you'll be caught up for how you're going to create the shopping list today. Starting with step 3, the closet cleanse. When you went through and cleaned your closet, you should have written down some essentials that were missing from your closet. You're going to take those missing essentials and add them to your shopping list, making sure that they are in the right section. So if in my closet I'm missing turtlenecks and sweaters, then obviously those items are going to be added to my fall/winter shopping list. Next, using your style vision board from step 2, you're going to add any new items that you want to try to your shopping list. Lastly, you can use the 2 lists that you created in step 1 to review your shopping list, making sure that all of the items on your list are things that you 100% love. To find new places to shop, I recommend using Pinterest or Google. Today, I'll be using Pinterest to show you all because it's one of my favorite tools. I explain how to use both Pinterest and Google in the free guide on how to shop like a stylist. You can pick up your guide below where you're watching this video. So let's take a look into how I like to find new places to shop on Pinterest. Welcome to my style vision board here on Pinterest. To find new places to shop, you can start by searching an item from your shopping list or choosing an item from your inspiration vision board. Okay, so I'm going to use this photo as an example. Once you've chosen the photo that you want to shop from, you're going to scroll down until you see this area here that says more to shop. It may also say shop more like this, but here on my phone it says more to shop. So I'm going to click on that section, and then it's going to pull up other items similar to those in the photo. The next thing you're going to want to do is to choose your focus. As you can see on this photo, there's now a dot on her shirt and then a dot on her shorts. So if I want to find more items similar to these shorts, then I'm just going to click on that dot on her shorts. And now it's just popping up different stores that sell shorts similar to the shorts in the photo. Now you're going to press this button over here in the upper right corner, and you can see the different sellers who sell items similar to the one that you chose. I recommend checking out those brands and stores because they might carry other items that fit your style. Okay, so after creating your shopping list, there's only one more step before you actually shop, and that's to create your shopping budget. In the meantime, click the link below to get your free guide on how to shop like a stylist, and subscribe to the blog for more freebies and updates on the next post. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a lovely day today.